If you're searching for the best wall projector for your bedroom in 2026, here's the one I ended up keeping after testing 4 different projectors. Real bedroom, real wall, 100-inch screen, real conditions. The projector is the SimplifyTech CineX. Here's what happened over 14 days. Day 1. I unboxed it, set it on my bedside table, pointed it at the wall across from my bed. The wall is about 12 feet wide. The CineX gave me a clean 100-inch projection. The auto keystone corrected the angle. The autofocus locked in within 5 seconds. This is the first thing nobody tells you about wall projectors. The size is the entire point. My old bedroom TV was 50 inches. This is twice the size. In the same room, for under $100. Day 2. I tested how it handles different wall surfaces. White matte wall, best image. Eggshell, slightly less crisp but still good. Painted color walls. The image picks up the wall tint, so you want white or near white for the best result. If your wall isn't white, a $20 projector screen or a flat white sheet works fine. I tested both. Day 3 to 7. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video. My phone screen mirrored. My switch plugged in. The Wi-Fi 6 connection was stable. The Android operating system has the Google Play Store, so all the streaming apps install in seconds. iPhone mirroring worked first try with no Apple TV needed. Day 8. I tested it at different times of day. Morning with curtains drawn, perfect cinema picture. Afternoon with light coming in, watchable but less vivid. Evening, exactly like watching a movie in a real cinema. Night, better than my TV ever was. Owned honest limitation. Bright daylight is where every mini projector under $200 weakens. If you have heavy curtains or watch in the evening, this is a non-issue. If your bedroom is bright at noon and you need cinema at noon, you'd want the Apollo with 1000 ANSI lumens. Day 10. I had friends over, watched a movie at 100 inches on the wall. 2 of them asked where I bought it. 1 of them ordered hers before she left. Day 14. I'm still using it as my main bedroom screen. The TV is unplugged in the corner. Is the wall projector worth it for a bedroom in 2026? Yes, with the caveat that your wall needs to be whitish, and your room needs to be dim or dark for the best cinema feel. Now the part most reviews skip. Everything you saw in this video, that's exactly what arrives at your door. No AI enhancements, no filters, no special lighting, real bedroom, real wall. This actual device. If when you set it up, it doesn't look like what you saw, send it back inside 30 days. Full refund, no questions asked, 6-month warranty after that. Free worldwide shipping. Best value for money wall projector you'll get for a bedroom in 2026. Links in the description.